All right, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. So we have two trades that we're gonna break down today, and we're on two different accounts right now. This one looks like it just hit TP, or maybe it hit the trailing stop loss. Nope, it hit TP or the trailing stop of this. So I will break this trade down right here. And this was based off of, I believe, the 1 hour time frame. So let's go. So going to the chart right now, you can see we're kind of making higher lows and higher highs on the 1 hour time frame. We have a ton of liquidity that we can take out that is resting above here, and we also have liquidity that is resting right here. So I saw on the 1 hour time frame we had made bullish structure. Essentially, we were going to the upside. So this is my bullish range from this low to this high, and this was a kind of a sweep and a break of structure. So I label it as both, and then we have the lower part of this range with all the liquidity resting inside of here that we can use to then pump back to the upside. So seeing that on the 1 hour time frame, we can go to like the 3 minute or even the 5 minute, and we can just see this 3 minute trend line right here that's starting to build up. And you can easily just wait for a break of this connecting some of the highs, and that's pretty much the setup right there. And stop loss below here or even here, and then take profit. Honestly, this trade can just keep going, to be honest. I low-key want to enter it again because there's so many highs to the left that we could just take out right now. We could literally keep going all the way to here or even to here. So this has room to potentially just continue to run to the upside. And then on the other trade breakdown, you can see that, where are we at? Where did I take this off of? So we're basically just in like a triangular consolidation. And I took it kind of based off this bottom half bounce. And I took it way up here because I was late on the entry. And I kind of just want to see it hit this top half once again. So we could honestly come right back down and then bounce again, which is why I'm kind of trailing my stop loss. And going down to the lower time frame, you can see we kind of have these highs stacked right here. If you guys didn't notice, I take a lot of breakout trades nowadays, and stop loss could be below here. I originally had it down here, but I decided, let's not risk too much. Let's start tightening our exits out of these positions and just riding it up to here, 1.73. I could try to ride it way up to here, maybe this trend line as well. So it's possible. Both have a decent scenario. You can see we're creating imbalances now, very large imbalances on the way up. And we could come back down, respect that, and continue to the upside. But I kind of want to secure the profits. Maybe I can, I'm thinking, should I just set this to break even? I think I'm going to set this to break even and see if we can hit this high or even up here instead of getting out. But I based the spot to get out based off of this order block, this 1 hour order block that pushed us to the downside. So that's what I want to see it revisit before we continue back to the downside of this triangular consolidation. Let's check on the other. Okay, so that's this account. We can probably do the same. No, this one, yeah, I might do the same for this one as well. And then let me make sure I don't have any other positions. I got out of the gold position on that. But you can see this definitely has room to fly to the upside on gold. Low key thinking about re-entering. Um, but yeah, that was the breakdowns. Um, Also, one thing I'm starting to look into, like I said in the last video, is you can see the volume in this area is large. So large volume, large volume. Uh, Not a lot of volume in here, as you can see on here, and then we kind of pick back up the volume once we get down into this lower leg. Now I wanted to see a mitigation of this down close candle, but we kind of already got that, to be honest. So it wasn't necessarily needed. But that was the breakdown for gold, and I wish it didn't take me out, but oh well. I may get back in and see what happens. But simple things just to note: structure, lower highs, lower lows, uh, and I look for the imbalance inside of those legs. Then I go down to a lower time frame, look for the liquidity sweep, break a structure, and then the re-entry or whatever to then hit the highs. Same thing for the opposite way. And that's how I do it. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I have a Discord, which I teach. If you want to learn, check it out down in the description below. And I'll catch you guys next time.